Hey guys, welcome back to Trouble Valley Farm. I have some very exciting and fun news to share with you all today. You might be able to guess what that news is if you listen very carefully. John and I have expanded our little family to include some very cute new farm animals. Let's go meet them. First up, we've got the real stars of the show, our three kunekune gilts, Tatertot, Hashbrown, and Smallfry. These three piglets are sisters, and they've recently hit 6 months old. They truly are the heartbeats of our farm. They love to play, they really enjoy belly rubs, basking in the sun, and indulging in their favorite pastime, eating. We were told their dad was full kunekune and their mom was a mix of kune and potbelly. These little piggies love their home, and we love pampering them. Okay, moving on from the pigs, let's check out the feathered members of our family. We've got 9 pullets that'll be 18 weeks old on Christmas Eve. We have 3 white leghorn hens who are egg-laying champions. And then we have 3 granny hens. Their names are Shirley, Hennifer, and Hey Hey. They came here from a tougher situation, but they've really found their happy place. And of course, guarding over all of our lovely ladies would be Fabio, the most handsome rooster in the world. He was actually hatched by our neighbor and given to us to protect the flock. The ladies absolutely adore him. And last, but certainly not least, is our barn cat, Katniss. We call her Nessie. We have to admit, Nessie is a little bit of a mystery to us. We've only been able to capture her on our trail cameras because, well, she's kind of a master of stealth and she really likes to keep to herself. She's a year old and she came to us from the shelter as an under-socialized feral cat. She has the run of this entire farm, but she chooses to return to this shed every day for her meals. We're so happy with our little family here at Trouble Valley Farm. Every one of these animals brings their own unique charm and brings us so much joy in our day-to-day lives. If you want to see more of them, subscribe to our channel. Give us a like if you liked this video, and stay tuned for more fun. Oh, and speaking of fun, There's a rumor that there might be a special someone joining us this Christmas, but shh, it's a secret for now. Let's just say there might be paws involved. Until then, stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.